Hello, I'm Pat O'Hare, Chief Market Analyst for Briefing.com. Today is Wednesday, April 23rd. On Wednesday, the S&P 500 managed to post a modest gain while the Nasdaq handily outperformed as traders digested another onslaught of earnings reports. Strength in several large-cap tech names lifted the market, but their advance was partially offset by weakness in financial and energy stocks. Microsoft was the most influential name within the technology sector, which gained 1.4% after the company indicated it will not raise its offer for Yahoo. The news caused shares of Yahoo to slip, even though the company reported better than expected earnings. Shares of semiconductor firm Broadcom soared 16% after the company reported earnings that topped estimates and guided its second quarter revenue above expectations. That news gave a boost to the semiconductor index, which surged 4.1%. Lastly, technology got a boost from Apple after traders bought its stock ahead of the company's earnings report. Although technology was the most influential sector due to its heavy weighting, telecom, which gained 2.2%, was actually the best performing sector from a percentage standpoint. AT&T, Verizon, and Sprint all saw buying interest. The market had a mostly positive response to the 113 companies that reported earnings. Some notable names that topped estimates included Boeing, Yum Brands, EMC Corp., and Philip Morris International. Weakness in financials, which fell 0.8%, and energy, which was also down 0.8%, as well as the materials sector, which dropped 1.3%, kept overall gains in check. Financials underperformed largely due to disappointment regarding a massive quarterly loss at Ambac Financial. The bond insurer's stock plummeted 43% to a new all-time low after the bond insurer reported a massive $5.42 per share loss on $1.7 billion in write-downs and a $1 billion increase in loan loss provisions. Analysts were looking for a much smaller loss of $1.51 per share. Meanwhile, the energy and materials sectors succumbed to profit-taking. Going into this session, energy was up 14%, while materials were up 9% in the month of April. UPS was a notable laggard. The company reported earnings that were in line with expectations, but issued a cautious outlook. The company cut its second quarter and full-year earnings estimates, citing economic concerns. There were no economic reports on Tuesday, but the government did release its weekly energy inventory report. The Department of Energy said crude stockpiles rose by 2.42 million barrels, which was larger than the expected 1.5 million increase. Crude traded in a choppy manner following the report, finally settling with a gain of 25 cents to $118.32 per barrel. Market participants will not be getting a breather Thursday as 213 companies are confirmed to report their earnings. Some of the bigger names include Apple, Amazon.com, and Qualcomm. In addition, the market will be digesting the latest durable orders, initial jobless claims, and new home sales reports in Thursday's action. I'm Pat O'Hare for Briefing.com. Thanks for listening.